Hi friends! Welcome to IT's Wonder World! Hi kids! Let's play Do vs. Don't challenges! Don't leave clothes on the floor. Put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Don't leave your shoes messy. Put them on properly. Put your shoes on properly. Don't run away. Say goodbye politely. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye. See you. Don't ignore your friends. Don't ignore friends who need help. Hey, come back. Listen to your friends. Wait your turn. Don't push ahead. Wait your turn. Oops, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Don't forget to say excuse me. Excuse me. Don't forget to drink water. Don't play rough with toys. Play with toys safely. Don't forget to say sorry. Oops. I'm sorry. It was an accident. Don't keep it all. Share with friends. Let's share our food. Sharing is fun. Don't leave your toys everywhere. Let's clean them up. Do clean up your toys. Well done. Can I have that, please? Thank you. Do listen to adults. Great job. Oops, forgot to say please. Hee and thank you.
Don't forget your manners. Always say please and thank you.
See? Can I please have that? Thank you. Do say please and thank you. Don't skip brushing your teeth. Let's brush them now. Blah. Don't skip your vegetables. Try at least one bite. Don't eat without washing hands. Uh-oh. Do wash your hands. Rub, 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 all clean.